my beautiful Jamaicans. Good morning. Put a smile on your face. Yeah, life is good. It could be worse. Some people have it way worse than what we're going through right now. So put a smile on your face. We are riding with you right up until 8:30, the greatest morning show in the world. And again, hello to our viewers watching across the globe on onespotmedia.com. I'm Empress, and I am very happy to bring this next interview, giving you an opportunity you may have missed. Our next guest is an online educational strategist and founder of Academics Anywhere JA. This new platform is aimed at assisting those who are unable to acquire their CSEC and CAPE subjects without disrupting their day-to-day lives. So I'm speaking to our guest right now. All right, write down if you need notes. Yalisha Thomas is with us. Good morning.
Good morning, Empress. How are you?
I'm alive, I'm living, I'm kicking, I'm giving. I'm just here with you, and I am loving the information that you're about to give me. Ahead of giving it to
Thank
me,
you.
I'm already in love with the fact that we are providing platforms and opportunities for our young people to learn. So, Yalisha, as the founder, tell me about the program. When did it come to life, and how has it been? What are you offering Jamaicans? Let me sit back and hear your story.
Okay, so we are an online registered business. We offer CSEC and CAPE courses to individuals with a desire to complete their secondary level of education, be it they have to work or they were in school and not recommended for a course, but they still feel like they can do that course. They can come and partner with us and do that course through us. It doesn't matter where they are in Jamaica, they can sign up, register, and they are able to do their CSEC and CAPE courses online. The exam is physical and is done at a center within their parish of location. So they don't have to worry about the travel costs or getting entangled with other individuals or catching COVID-19. They are fine. It's easy. It's cost efficient. We have great lecturers on board with us, and they are guaranteed passes.
This is great news. So, when did you start the business?
I recently started in July,
Is this a
but I've been
COVID?
teaching
Is it?
before that.
I'm always interested in the COVID-19 response businesses. Is this in response to COVID-19?
It is somewhat, not fully, because I had the idea before. I've been teaching for 2 years, and I had students who would have started off their school year quite fine. Everything is going okay, but over the course of coming to school, they landed themselves in some sort of financial difficulties. They couldn't afford the taxi fare, the lunch money. Sometimes it was water problems at home, and they weren't able to get to the physical location, which placed them at a disadvantage. They missed a couple classes. However, I worked with them through emails and WhatsApp messages, and at the end of it all, we were still able to get 100% pass rates. And I'm talking about over 150 students. And with everything happening now, I thought it was the perfect opportunity to just jump on board and just provide everybody with this desire to CSEC and CAPE subjects online.
Listen, great idea, and this is where the world is going. Sit back a little bit for me, Alicia. I want to see you. Yes, I want to see your whole brain because you're doing a great job, and I want to
Thank you.
get some of your brightness. Let's go into the subjects that you offer. Do you offer all CSEC and CAPE subjects?
We offer most. The
Okay.
ones that are too practical, so for example, food and nutrition, we don't offer that. But
Okay.
we offer a wide range of CSEC, general studies, sciences, and business courses.
All right. Walk me through the platform. So, how do I sign up? How long does it take? Walk me through the process.
So you can either call us or send us an email to sign up. If you're on Instagram, the link is in our bio and it takes you directly to the registration form where you're able to enter your personal details, select the courses you desire to complete, and that comes directly to us. We will follow up with a phone call giving you additional information as it relates to payments, and I also try my best to understand my clients because I don't want them selecting courses that they don't necessarily need. So I screen them. I try to understand what are their academic and career goals and ensure that the courses that they are selecting are in line with what it is they want in the future.
Great job. So is this just for secondary students, or is this option available, or this course available for adults who want to go back and get their subjects, as we would say in
I
Jamaica?
can tell you most of our clients so far are adults 35 and over who had missed the opportunity to complete their secondary education, and now they are so elated. They believe that, they have hope again. So they are on board with us. It doesn't matter what age you are. We have special partnerships with security companies and BPO companies in the BPO sector. So if you are working with a security company or within one of the many BPO companies, go to your training manager, find out about the special being offered with Academics Anywhere JA, and come on board with us.
Listen, you're doing such a great job. But I would also like to know, for those watching who want to be a part of this and who want to get their CXC and CAPE subjects to advance their careers and get better jobs and more opportunities, how long would it take for me to sit one of your subjects? What's your most popular subject online?
Maths right now.
Okay, so if I wanted to get my CSEC CAPE Maths, how long would it take me to go online, follow the lessons, and then sit the exam? Because the exam is yearly, right?
Yes, it is. And the class is really live. It's live, and classes are scheduled to begin September 14 through May of 2021. So it's
Okay.
the regular school year. However, the classes are happening live, but they are also recorded and saved. So if you missed a class, you don't need to worry about it. It's there for you to have 24-hour access to it. You can go back on your own time and catch everything that you thought you missed.
New solutions in these times. You have been truly inspirational this morning. I wish you the greatest success ever. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank
you're
you for having
you're gonna
me.
blow up, girl. You're gonna blow up. This is big.
I hope I do.
Yes,
Thank
you
you.
will.
Thank you.
You will. Yalisha Thomas, online educational strategist and founder of Academics Anywhere JA. Sign up right now, my people. You are never too old to learn. Trust me. You can go and follow them on Facebook, on Instagram, Academics Anywhere JA. Look them up. Yalisha Thomas. Wow. COVID-19 response, solutions. Them can't hold we down. COVID can't hold we down. All right, coming up next, I'm laughing because the one Neville Bell, I wish we had cameras so you could all see. We get reintroduced to civics for Jamaicans. I hope my producer has a lot of civic information there because my brain is fried out. Neville, stop giving me trouble. We soon come, my people. We soon come.